Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in react.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in react.js. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and responsive product slider using react.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how we can create an awesome responsive and dynamic product slider using react.js and slick slider as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that we will get to know that today what we are gonna learn in this video, in this session, and today what we are gonna create. Okay, so guys, now let me just go to the example and let me just show you the example as well. Okay, so guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js and slick slider as well. Okay, so guys, here we can see the heading also, create a responsive dynamic product slider in react.js using slick slider as well. Okay, yes guys, you did it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are also gonna learn that how we can integrate slick slider, how we can use slick slider in react.js to create awesome responsive and dynamic product slider in react.js. Okay, so guys, below we can see one product slider as well. Okay, and guys, on each and every product card, okay, it has got one product image, product name, product price, product ratings, okay, and one button called buy now. Okay, so guys, likewise for all the product card, okay, it has got one product image, product name, okay, product price, product ratings, and one button called buy now. Okay, okay, so guys, this is the right control. Okay, and this is the left control. Okay, so everything is doing fine, everything is working perfect. Okay, so now guys, let me just show you the responsiveness as well. Okay guys, this product slider is very responsive, is very dynamic, and it is gonna work, it is going to do great job on any kind of screen sizes, on any kind of devices. Okay, so let me just show you the responsiveness as well. Okay, so let me go to the mobile view. Okay, so guys, you can see here this is the dimensions. Okay, and as of now the dimension is iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, and you can see guys, this is very small screen sizes, still our product slider is able to work fully functional, fully dynamic. Okay, and you can see here in this kind of screen sizes, I have just shown one product card. Okay, and you can see this is the left control, it is also doing great, it is also doing fine, and this is the right control, it is also doing fine, also doing great. Okay, and we have shown only one product slide, okay, one product card on this kind of screen sizes. Okay, so now let me just you can see it is also auto sliding in any kind of screen sizes. Okay, so let me just change the dimensions from here. So choose iPhone SE. See, this is also very small screen sizes, yet our product slider is fully functional, fully dynamic, and it's fully auto sliding as well. Okay, see, the left control is also doing great. Okay, the right control is also doing great. Okay, so let me just change the dimensions. So choose this time iPhone XR. See, this is also doing great. See, I have just shown the one product card in small screen sizes in mobile view. Okay, so guys, we can change the different dimensions from here. Okay, so I'm not gonna show all the dimensions because it is gonna take some time, and due to that only our video will be little longer. Okay, so this is it. We can see it's fully dynamic and fully functional. Okay, on any kind of screen sizes, on any kind of devices. Okay, you can see guys, the dimension is Samsung Galaxy S8. Okay, only you can see this is very small screen sizes. Okay, this is the width and this is the height. Okay, you can see it's still working fine, it is still doing great. Okay, there is no any problem, there is no any issue at all. Okay, so this is very responsive and very dynamic. Okay, in any kind of screen sizes, in any kind of devices. Okay, so I've just shown the responsiveness as well. So let me just go to the desktop view. So guys, in the desktop view, in the laptop view, we can say also we have just shown the 5 product. Okay, you can see this is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so in desktop view, in more yeah, in live view also we can say we have just shown the 5 product card. Okay, and it is also auto sliding. Okay, see, this is the right control, it is also working fine and fantastic. Okay, and this is the left control, it is also working fine. Okay, and in the desktop view I have just shown the 5 product. Okay, guys, you are free to show 4 product, you are free to show 1 product as well, you are free to show 2 product, 3 product in desktop view, in I mean yeah, in desktop view. Okay, it's up to you only, you are free to do any kind of customization, you are free to do any kind of modifications. Okay, and guys, this is the dot. Okay, it is also fully functional and fully working. Okay, so whenever you will click on any of the dot, it is going to take you to the respective product slide. Okay, see, this is fully functional and fully working. Okay, okay, so if we want, we can hide the dots also. If we don't need to show the dots, okay, we can hide it also. Okay, in our product slider, select slider settings. Okay, so I will guys explain you each and everything. Okay, I will guys explain you each and everything, every minute details guys about this product slider using react.js and select slider as well. Okay, so guys, I explained you that on each and every product card we have just got 1 product image. Okay, product name, product price, product rating, and 1 button called buy now. Here also product image, product name, product price, product rating, and 1 button buy now. Okay, here also product image, product name, product price, product ratings, and 1 button called buy now. Okay, here also product image, product name, okay, product price, product ratings, and button buy now. Here also product image, product name, product price, and product rating, and 1 button called buy now. Okay, so guys, likewise for all the product cards. Okay, you can see likewise for all the products card I have just shown the product image, product name, product price, and product ratings, and button called buy now. Okay, so guys, for this demo only I have just okay, so guys, for this demo only I have just shown few details about the product. Okay guys, you are free to show as many details as you want to show about the product. Okay, and guys, here I have just shown the 9 product slide. Okay guys, you are free to show 10 product slide, 20 product slides, okay, 25 product slide. It's up to you, there is no limit, there is no any restrictions that we have to show only 10 product slide. No, there is no such thing. You are free to do any kind of modifications, any kind of customizations in this product slider. Okay, so guys, now this is all about in today's video, in today's session, about the product slider. Okay, so I hope I have explained you that what we are gonna learn in today's video, in today's session. Okay, with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this unique, dynamic, and awesome product slider using react.js and slick slider as well. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. And definitely guys, professionally you will grow also after watching my video, after watching my session. Okay, and please guys, please, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys, do like my video, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, okay, and thank you guys who has already subscribed to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, thank you guys, thanks a lot, a lot, a lot. Okay guys, it means a lot to me. Okay, and thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, and thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Please guys, please subscribe to my this channel Code with ER. Okay guys, as you can see here, I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts, okay, to create awesome videos, okay, to create dynamic videos for you on each and every small topic. Okay, in full stack development, in service now, and in web development as well. Okay guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, and the only way you can help me, and the only way you can support me, is by subscribing to my this channel Code with ER. Okay, please guys, it's a request from a friend to a friend, it's a request from a brother to a brother. Okay guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, and guys, the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my this channel Code with ER. Okay, and I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER after watching this video, after learning something new, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, thank you for subscribing to my this channel Code with ER. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this responsive, dynamic, and awesome product slider using react.js and slick slider as well. Okay, so guys, first of all, let me just go to the slick slider URL. Okay, because we will need it. Not this one, open the first one, I guess. Yeah, this is the URL for slick slider. Okay, and we will just need this. Okay, just to show you the APIs. Okay, so guys, slick slider is all about the APIs. Okay, so we will need, okay, API to do modifications, to do changes in our slick slider carousel. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let's just be it open. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna use here guys VS Code editor. Okay, to write our code. Okay, to write my code. Okay guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, so guys, let me just go to the code editor now. So I'm gonna use here the VS Code editor. So I'm gonna create here new file first. I'll say here slick slider in react.html. So save the file. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna create here HTML structure first. So HTML. Okay, so give the page title as well. I'll give here the page title as a Code with ER Prabhat. I'm sorry guys, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Currently guys, I am working as a ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 5 years of experience in software development. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, we need some CDN links also in order to work with this file. Okay, so let me just go to the previous example and let me just copy the CDN links from there. Okay, just to save up a little bit of time. Okay, so this is the example. So copy these CDN links from here and just paste here. Okay, so paste below this title. Okay, and guys, you can see here I have written the comments also. Okay, so it is gonna help you understand all about the CDN links. Okay, because I'm not going to explain you all the CDN links. Okay, it is going to take a little bit of time also, and due to that only our video gonna be little longer. Okay, so I've written the comment also, and it is self explanatory. I hope you will understand, and I hope you know why we use the CDN links. Okay, and it is fully self-explanatory. You have to just watch the pause the video, and you can see. Okay, this is the like relative path. Okay, for the favicon icon. Okay, and this is the CDN link for the slick.min.css. Okay, and this is the also theme default CDN link for the CSS. Okay, and this is the CDN link for bootstrap. Okay, and this is the CDN link for the font awesome, and this is the path. Okay, assets. I have got a folder called CSS, and in that folder I have got a file called fontawesome.min.css. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let me just copy another CDN links from the example only. So just copy this CDN link from here. Okay, I'm sorry, and paste here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, this is the comment also. Okay, so this is the React and React DOM CDN links. Okay, you can see here react.development.js, and this is the react dom.development.js. Okay, so this is the JS file for React DOM and React DOM development. Okay, and this is the bevel.min.js. Okay, this is also the CDN file. Okay, I'm sorry guys for my like errors. Okay, for my slip of tongues. Okay, I'm sorry for this. Okay, I hope you will forgive me. Okay, and guys, this is the CDN link for jQuery. Okay, as we all know that Slick Slider is a jQuery plugin. Okay, so we will need using the jQuery also in order to like work with the old carousel. I mean, I'm very sorry, Slick Slider. Okay, I'm very sorry, guys. Okay, Slick Slider, because we all know that Slick Slider is a jQuery plugin. Okay, so it is written in jQuery, so we need jQuery. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and guys, this is the JS file for slick.min.js. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna create here one container div or the parent div also. Okay, so create a div. Okay, close this div. Okay, and let me just give the ID also. So I'll give the ID as a root. Okay, so let me just write the comment here also what React is gonna do here. Okay, so here React will inject the result or output for us. Okay, so this is it guys. Okay, so inside this div React is gonna inject the result. Okay, and then only we will be able to see it on the browser. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so we are done with the HTML part. Okay, and guys, now I'm gonna create here one script element. Okay, so I'll create a script element first. Okay, so script. Let me just I'm very sorry. I don't know why it is happening. Okay, so guys, we have to give here the type attribute also, because we are using here the CDN version of Bevel. Okay, so guys, we all know that Bevel is going to support our JSX. Okay, it is going to transpile our JSX back into the normal JavaScript. Okay, then only it is going to be understood our then only it is going to be understood by our web browser JavaScript engine. Okay, that's why we use Bevel. Okay, so now we have to give here the type attribute also. So I'll say here type text slash Bevel. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now open the script tag, and inside this script we are gonna create our one custom component. Okay, so guys, I hope you know how we can create the custom component in react.js. Okay guys, if you don't know how we can create component in react.js, okay guys, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, watch my previous videos on how to create custom component in react.js. Okay guys, you will become master in creating custom component in react.js after watching my video, after watching my session. Okay, so guys, I hope you know how we can create the custom component in react.js because I'm gonna assume that you know how we can create the custom component in react.js. Okay, so just come to the code now. Okay, so now we are gonna create here one custom component. Okay, so I'll create the const first. Okay, so const, okay, app. Okay, I'm gonna use here the factor function. Okay, I would like to use factor function whenever I create custom component in react.js. Okay, so here also I'm gonna use here the factor function. Okay, like this. So close this. Okay, and it is gonna return all the things. So we will say here return. Okay, so close this. Okay, and it is gonna take here one container div or one parent div, or we can give the javascript, okay, JSX fragments as well. Okay, but I'm gonna use here the div. Okay, container div. Okay, so close this div. Okay, I'll give the class name also, class name, okay, as a container margin top 4, margin bottom also 4. Okay, so this is it. Okay, later on we will just write all the required like code inside this div. Okay, inside this return statement. Okay, so as of now I'm gonna import, okay, some of the hooks also, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna import the hooks, okay, from the javascript. Okay, so I'll say here const. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the I'm gonna import the use effect. Okay, so use effect, we will use here this hook use effect, and I'm gonna import another I'll say here strict mode. Okay, strict mode. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so just from where, from react only. Okay, so close this. This is it, guys. Okay, so guys, now we all know why we use the use effect hook in react.js. Okay, guys, we use effect hook, okay, to run to create the side effects. Okay, and guys, we also use effect hook in react.js, okay, to initialize, okay, third party library, to initialize third party plugins also. Okay, guys, always remember we use effect hook, okay, in react.js, okay, to use the side effects also, and to initialize the third party plugin, to initialize the third party library as well. Okay, because we all know that Slick Slider is a JavaScript plugin, okay, or the jQuery plugin. Okay, we all know, guys, that Slick Slider is a jQuery plugin, and it is a third party plugin. So we have to use here the use effect hook, okay, to initialize the Slick Slider, okay, instance, okay, in our react.js application. Okay, always remember, guys, we also use effect hook to initialize the third party library, to initialize the third party plugins as well. Okay, and we all know that Slick Slider is a jQuery plugin, so we will use here the use effect hook also, okay, to initialize the third party library, to initialize the third party plugins. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here some of the array of objects also. Okay, guys, now we are gonna create here one array of objects. Okay, so I'm gonna give here the const. Okay, I'll say here slides. Okay, slides. Okay, so give equal to use square bracket. Okay, because we are going to create here the array of object. Okay, so guys, I hope you know that how we can create the object in JavaScript or in any kind of JavaScript, okay, modern library or plugin like react.js, okay, like Vue.js or the angular.js as well. Okay, if you don't know, don't worry, I'm gonna explain you that how we can create the object in JavaScript. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one object. Okay, and I'm gonna give here the, so like this. Okay, because we are gonna create here the array of objects. Okay, so it will contain multiple elements inside this slider array of objects. Okay, so we can give here not slider, we can give slides. Okay, because it is a slides. Okay, and I'm gonna create here the id. Okay, I'll give here id1. Okay, I'll give here the image path also. Okay, so it's assets, okay, assets, and inside the folder images I have got a file. Okay, so let me just go to the folder and let me just show you the image path also, image folder also, so that you will get to know. Okay, so just go to the React projects. Okay, go to the assets. Okay, open the images folder. Okay, and as you can see here inside the assets I have got a folder called images. Okay, and in that folder I have saved some of the images for this project. Okay, okay, for this session. Okay, so let me just copy this, okay, image name from here. So copy it from here and just go to the code. Okay, and we will see here assets. Okay, so let me just check the folder name. Is it assets? Okay, it is assets, not asset. So assets, inside the images I have got a file called shopping.webp. Okay, so put comma, and now I'm gonna give the product name. Okay, so we will say here name. Okay, means product name. Okay, so I'll just give here anything, just give here uh, Windows. Okay, Windows, give Windows i7 not like i7 uh, Max. Okay, Pro. Okay, laptop. Okay, laptop. Okay, so you can give any name. Okay, laptop, this is it. Okay, and I'm gonna give you the price also. So price like this, I'll give use the price. Okay, like this I'll use here dollar. Okay, dollar, I'll give here some this price. Okay, and I'm gonna use here the ratings also. So I'll say here ratings. Okay, so ratings, and I'm gonna create here the array of objects. Okay, I mean array. Okay, so I'll just say here, as you can see here I have used here the font awesome. Okay, so this is used for the icons. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the far icon. Okay, let me just go to the demo. So you can see here guys, this is the star. Okay, this is the icons. Okay, you can see this star. Okay, this is the icons. Okay, and I have used these icons from the font awesome. Okay, okay, so just come now. So I'll just say here far. Okay, far, I'll say here far star. Okay, far star. Okay, like this far star. Okay, far star. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, in this way we have created here our one object. Okay, and it has got some property or the name also, like id is the key, image is the key, name is the key. Okay, price is the key, and rating is the key, and one is the value of this id. Okay, this image path is the value of this image. Okay, this name, okay, is the value for this name. Okay, and price is the value for this price key. Okay, and this array is the value for this ratings key. Okay, so guys, in this way we have created here one object. Okay, and I hope you know how we can create the object in JavaScript, although I have explained you here. Okay, because guys, I'm gonna copy this object from the previous example, just to save up a little bit of time. Otherwise it is going to take a lot of time if we have to create this object. Okay, because this is a very big, okay, object. Okay, so I'm going to the copy this object from the previous example, just to save up a little bit of time. Okay, for the sake of a little bit of time. Okay, so come here and copy this slides from here. Okay, and just paste here inside our, okay, here. Okay, and you can see here, this is the, let me just open one object. Okay, so this is the id, this is the image. Okay, so here content is the image name or the product name. Okay, so guys, here content is the product name. Okay guys, always remember here content is the product name. Okay, and this is the price. Okay, and this is the ratings. Okay, you can see here this is the ratings. Okay, and it is again a array. Okay, this is again an array, and it contains some font or some icons. Okay, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star o, 5 star o for the empty, okay, icon, and for the full icon. Okay, so let me just go to the demo. Okay, so this is, you can see here, this is the empty icon. Okay, this is the empty icon, and this is the full icon. You can see this is the empty icon, this is the full icon. You can see this is the empty icon, this is the empty icon, and this is the full icon. Okay, so for this only I have used here this ratings. Okay, and this is an array, okay, of icons. Okay, we will use this ratings, okay, to loop through this array of icons to show the ratings of the respective product of the particular product. Okay, so guys, I have done this, guys, for the sake of saving some little bit of time. Okay, so that our video will be little, okay, within the limits. Okay, otherwise it is going to be very longer, very large video. Okay, so I hope I have explained you. Okay, likewise for all the objects, guys. Okay, you can see this is the id1, this is the id2, this is the id3, this is the id4, this is the id5, this is the id6, this is the id7. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, this is the id8 and this is the id9. Okay, so here we will have 9 product slider, okay, or the product cards. Okay, you can see likewise for all the image, it is the image path, content is the product name, okay, price is this, okay, and rating is this. Okay, likewise for all the objects. Okay, likewise for all the objects, or we can say elements, okay, of this slides array of object. Okay, so I hope I've explained you this object. Okay, and this is nothing. Okay, this is really easy because I've explained you how we can create the array of object, okay, inside this slides. Okay, and now we will move forward. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna move forward now. Okay, so now we are gonna use here this use effect hook. Okay, so now let me just, guys, first of all, okay, so copy this use effect hook from here because we have already imported it from the React. Okay, now we are free to use it, okay, inside our code. Okay, so we will just use here the filter function like this, okay, and like this. Okay, so close this. Okay, so now we are gonna create here one const first. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one const. Okay, so const, I'll say here like this. Okay, and so I'll use here the dollar because we all know we have used here the jQuery because select slider is a jQuery plugin. Okay, so we will use here dollar to select the CSS selector. Okay, we all know why we use the dollar in jQuery. Whenever we have to select any HTML tag, any HTML element, any CSS selector, we have to use the dollar sign. Okay, so this is here also we are gonna use here the dollar sign to select the CSS selector or any CSS classes. Okay, so I'm gonna create here a variable called slider. Okay, so equal to, I'll just say here dollar. Okay, so close this, and I'm gonna give here the dot. Okay, because we are gonna select here the class. Okay, CSS class. Okay, so I'll say here slick, okay, underscore or hyphen carousel. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and now, okay, I'm gonna use this variable, okay, to initialize the slick slider plugin. Okay, or to initialize the slick slider settings. Okay, so just paste it here dot, I'll just say here slick. Okay, so slick. Okay, so let me just first go to the URL also. So just go to the URL, so come here, and you can see here, guys, we have to use here this function slick. Okay, and inside this function we are free to customize, we are free to do like any kind of settings we want to do. Okay, so we have to use this function slick. Okay, you can see we have to use this function slick. Okay, so just come down. Okay, you can see you can see here. Okay, because this is a jQuery plugin, so you can see here document.ready function. Okay, your class dot slick settings name and settings value. Okay, so this is the settings name. Okay, and this is the settings value. Okay, so we can see here this is the key. Okay, and this is the value also. Okay, you can see initialize your slider in your script file or an inline script tag also. So we are also doing the same in our code also. So come to the code now, and now we will just use here this settings name and setting value, which means key and value, key and value. Okay, so you can see here key and value pair also. Okay, so come to the code now, and now open this. Okay, and now we will just give here infinite. Okay, infinite, we will give here true. Okay, which means it is going to auto slide for the infinite. Okay, it is not gonna stop. Okay, it is not gonna stop. Okay, which means we have given here the infinite equal to true. Okay, or the value of infinite. Okay, setting name is true. You can see it is auto sliding. Okay, always and always. Okay, it is not gonna stop. Okay, because we have given here the infinite equal to true. Okay, so come to the code now. Okay, and I'm gonna give here the slide. Okay, slide to show, slides to show. Okay, so how many slides we want to show? So I'll show the 5 slides. Okay, in the desktop view. So go to the settings. Okay, so come here. So let me just show you all the APIs, all the settings. Okay, so come down. So you can see here slides to. Okay, you can see here slides to show. Okay, so it is a type of integer. Okay, and default value is 1. Okay, so we can increase 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it's up to you only. Okay, you can see how many slides we want to show. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and let me just show you the infinite also. So let me just show you the infinite also. So just you can see guys, infinite. Okay, and this is the type of boolean. Okay, so default value is true. You can see here infinite loop sliding. Okay, you can see this is the setting or the API infinite, and its type is boolean. Okay, so default value is true, and it says infinite loop sliding. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so slides to show 5. Okay, and now I'll just say here slides to scroll. Okay, slides to scroll. Okay, so how many slides we want to scroll? Okay, so I'll just give here 1. Okay, I want to scroll only 1 slide. Okay, so just let me just show you this API also, slides to scroll. Okay, so come here and let me just yeah, you can see here slides to scroll. Okay, so it is a type of integer. Okay, default value is 1, and we can increase we can decrease as per our need. Okay, as per our requirements. Okay, so guys, I'm not gonna show all the APIs. I'm not gonna explain you all the APIs. Okay, this is the URL. Okay, I'll give this URL in the description below. Okay, you can just go to this URL and just guys learn the read the documentation. Okay, and go to the demos. Okay, and try to try to implement all the APIs. Okay, and try to create something awesome, something unique using this slick slider inside your react.js project. Okay, and guys, do let me know that what you have created after watching this video, after having this session. Okay, so I'm not going to explain you all the APIs, all the settings. It is going to take a little bit of time. Okay, and due to that our video will be little longer. Okay, so come to the code now. Okay, so now I'll just say here autoplay. I'll give here the true. Okay, autoplay, I'll give here true, which means it is going to slide. Okay, automatically. Okay, so autoplay true. Okay, so as of now let it be guys. Okay, as of now let it be this much of settings only. Later on we will just put something more. Okay, inside this slider settings. Okay, so just now. Okay, so slick is slick. Okay, so just now come to this return statement now. Okay, and now we have to look through also. Okay, so we have to look through this. Okay, slides array of objects. Okay, and to show this. Okay, to show this array or to show this slides. Okay, so we have to look through. So come now, and now inside this like return statement we will just use. Okay, so let me just give here guys, as of now just give here the empty dependency array. Okay, because we want to. Okay, so write the comment here also. So I'm gonna give here the empty dependency okay, dependency array, okay, dependency array, okay, uh, means, okay, means this effect, okay, this effect runs only once, okay, only once, or we can say uh, or we can say run, okay, only once, run only once, okay, when when the component is mounted for the first time. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I hope I've explained you why I have given this empty array. Okay, empty dependency array. Okay, so it says empty dependency array means, okay, this effect runs only one, okay, or run only once, okay, when the component is mounted for the first time. Okay, so this guys, okay, this empty dependency array means this only, okay, so our select slider instance will run only once when the component is mounted. Okay, so that's why we have given here the empty dependency array. Okay, if we will give here any like variable, okay, any value, okay, then when the component is re-render, okay, component is mounted, or the value of this variable is gonna change, okay, then also this use effect hook will run each and every time whenever our variable value is gonna change. Okay, so that's why we have given here the empty dependency array, because it is gonna run only once when the component is actually mounted. Okay, so that's why we have given here empty dependency array. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so now just come to this return statement also. So now we have to look through this slides array of object. Okay, so this is now come to this div. Okay, so now I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so create a div. Okay, give the class name also, give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a slick. Okay, so let me just copy this class from here only, because we are selecting this class only through this jQuery selector. Okay, so copy this and paste this class here. So you can see now this class slick carousel matches this class select slider of this div. Okay, which means we have selected, okay, we have selected this div. Okay, so now we have to write the code of this select slider inside this div only, then only it is gonna be working, otherwise it will not work. Okay, because we have selected this div here, okay, through this jQuery selector. Okay, so now just inside this div I'm gonna use here the JavaScript very famous method known as the map method. Okay, and we have to give here the open and closing braces, because we all know whenever we have to show any value, we have to look through, we have to do any kind of, okay, we have to write any kind of code in react.js, then we have to use here the open and closing curly braces. Okay, so that's why I have given here the open and closing curly braces. And now I'm gonna copy this slides array of object from here, and we will use here map, okay, on this slides array of object. Okay, to look through, okay, this object, to look through this object, to look through this object, okay, to look through this entire array of objects. Okay, using the map method on this slides array of array of objects. Okay, on this slides. Okay, I'm very sorry, so just paste it here. I'll just say here map. Okay, so map, okay, like this. Okay, and it is gonna take here one compulsory parameter, the callback function. Okay, so we will just use here the factor function like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so okay, so I'll give here the so this callback function takes one parameter, okay, one necessary parameter. So I'll give here the slide. Okay, so slide. Okay, I'll give here the slide. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so open this. Now inside this div we have to create here another div, okay, or the container div. Okay, I'll give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a I'll give the class name as a, just give here padding 3, okay, or we can say here the uh, product, okay, container, okay, product container. Open this div, okay, and we have to give here the one very important attribute also. I'll give here the key attribute, okay. So say like this, okay, and I'll just say here slide, okay, this slide dot id, okay. You can see here this id is unique, okay, this id is unique, okay, this id is unique. So I'm gonna give here the id, okay. So copy this id and we will just say here this slide dot id, okay. So guys, this slide is now an object, okay. Guys, always remember this slide is now an plain object, okay. You can see here it has got id, image, content, price, ratings, and rating is a again an array, okay. And you can see id is the number, image is the string, okay, content is the string also, price is also a string, and ratings is a string, and it is an array of, okay, string, okay. So this slide is now an plain object, okay. So it contains the property also. Now you can see the moment I'll write here slide dot, you can see here it contains all the property, content, id, image, price, rating, okay. So this is the property of this slides object, okay. See, content, id, image, price, and rating is the properties of this slide, okay. So now id, okay, because this key should be unique, okay. And I'm not going to explain you why we have to use this key, okay. I'm not going to explain you because I have explained you many times also in my previous videos as well, okay. So I hope you know why we have given here this key attribute, okay, on this div, okay. So okay, so now inside this div I'm gonna create here another div, okay. I'm gonna create here another div, okay. So now just give the class also. So I'll say here class name, I'll give here the class name as a card, okay, card. And I'll give here the text center, okay. So to center the text, okay, inside the product card, okay. So open this div, okay, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another div, okay. So I'm gonna create here another div. So I'll just give here the div, okay. I'll just give the class name also as a img container, okay, img container, okay. It is going to contain the image element, okay. So just give you space from here because this is a separate div, okay. So I'm going to create here img and just close this because this is the self closing tag, okay. We all know we have to close all the tag, all the HTML tag whenever we are using it inside the react.js, okay. So I'll just say here src like this, okay. Dynamically we will bind the src attribute, okay. So copy this slide from here and to show the image we will say here dot, to show the image we will just use this image property, okay. So click enter, okay. So now I'm gonna give here the alt attribute also. So alt I'll just give here the slide, okay. So slide, okay, slide dot, I'll just give the image name as a alt. So we will just say here slide dot content, okay, because we can see here the content is the image name, okay. You can see the content is the image name, okay. So content is the image name, okay. So that's why we have given here alt equal to slide dot content, okay. So give the image name as the alt attribute, okay. So I'm gonna give you the class also. So class name I'll say here like this, okay. So class name I'll give here img fluid, okay. And I'll just say here card img top, okay, card img top, okay. So this is it, okay. So as of now guys, let it be, okay. So guys, as of now let me just dispose this port, okay. So just dispose this port, okay, and hit the button go live to go live now. So as you can see here, as of now we can't see anything on our browser, okay. Why? Because guys we have not mounted, okay, we have not connected, okay, this, okay, this HTML part, okay, this HTML part, okay, with our Vue.js instance, okay. So guys, now I'm gonna do that, okay. So come down and I'm gonna say here, I'm gonna create here one const. Okay, I'll say here, I'm sorry, container equal to, I'll just say here document, okay, dot get element by id. Okay, so just copy this id root from this div. Okay, copy this root id. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, and now I'm going to create here another const. I'll say here const. Okay, I'll just give here root. Okay, I'll just say here react dom. Okay, dot create. Okay, create root. Okay, and we have to pass this variable container to this function. Okay, and now we will just use this root to render. Okay, so just paste it here, dot render. Okay, render. Okay, so guys, what to render? We have to render our component. Okay, so copy this app component name from here and just say here like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and you can see here I have used here the strict mode also, and I hope guys I've explained you why we use the strict mode. Okay, we use guys strict mode for the potential issues, for the potential error in the development mode. Okay, so that it is gonna show all the errors, it is gonna show all the issues while you are creating your app, while you are developing your app. Okay, and in the production mode, okay, it is not gonna do any kind of effect. Okay, in the production mode it will be not there. Okay, so just close this. So this is it. Okay, so guys, in this way, okay, so guys in this way, okay guys, in this way we have mounted our Vue.js instance. Okay, Vue.js instance with our this container div. Okay, so guys, now finger crossed. Okay, I hope our code will work now. So save your code, go to the browser, and so go to the inspect now. Let me just see what is the issue. So go to this view, go to the console. You can see strict mode is not defined. Okay, so let me just check here. Strict. Okay, so as of now just remove. Okay, so remove from here also. Okay, so remove from here also. Save your code, go to the browser, and close this, refresh the page. So see, boom guys, you can see here, now we can see our image. Okay, and you can see here, boom guys, it is also sliding as well. Okay, you can see it is also sliding as well. Okay, so we can see here image. Okay, and guys, we got to know the issues also. So let me just reward the code. Okay, reward all the codes. Okay, okay, and now see the output. Okay, so we can see we still got the issues. Okay, but we got the issues. Okay, what is the issue? We got to know. Okay, so guys, now inside this, okay guys, inside this, okay, use effect function, we have to use the cleanup function as well. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna use the cleanup function also. So we will just say here return. Okay, and I'm gonna use here the filter function. Okay, so we will just use here the filter function, and we will just clean up this. Okay, we will just clean up this select slider instance whenever our component is unmounted, whenever render happen. Okay, so guys, we are gonna unmount this instance of select slider whenever our component is unmounted, or whenever re-render happen. Okay, so I'm gonna clear this select slider instance. Okay, so I'll just copy this variable name from here. Okay, so I'll just copy this variable name from here and just say here, okay, slick. Okay, so just say here slick. Okay, and I will just say here like this. Okay, and we'll just say here unslick. Okay, unslick. Okay, so let me just show you. Go to the URL of slick slider and go down. Okay, go down. Okay, go down. You can see guys, we have seen here unslick. Okay, and argument, okay, none, it says deconstruct the slick. Okay, you can see here we have used this unslick. Okay, you can see here guys, we have used here unslick. Okay, to clear the instance of Slick slider whenever re-render happen or whenever our component is unmounted. Okay, so let me just write the comment here also. I'll write the comment here also. So clean up, okay, clean up function to destroy, okay, to destroy slick, okay, slider slick slider when, okay, when the, okay, when the component is unmounted or re render happens. Okay, re-render happens. So we have to use this cleaner function, and we have to unslick this. Okay, so let me just, I showed you also. See, unslick, okay, its argument is none, and it says deconstruct the slick. Okay, so let me just show you. So just come here and yeah, yeah, you can see here, guys, you can see destroy. Okay, you can see here destroy. Okay, so if you really want to be a that guy, okay, but guys, we have to use here the, so you can see here your slider dot slick, okay, unslick. Okay, so this is what, guys, we are doing here. Okay, this is what we are doing here. Okay, we have to destroy our slider component, okay, whenever component is unmounted or whenever re-render happens. Okay, so we have to unselect this. Okay, guys, in all the use effect it is not required. Okay, but guys, because we have used here the strict mode in the development phase, in the development mode. Okay, so that's why we have to use here this cleanup function to destroy the select slider instance. Okay, whenever component is unmounted or whenever re-render happens. Okay, so I showed you. So we will say here this variable dot select. Okay, and we have to unselect here also. I showed you. You can see destroy if you really want to be that guy. Okay, we can see here your css selector dot select dot unselect. Okay, so this is the way we can destroy the instance of slick slider. Okay, so here we can see destroy, and this is what we have used here. Okay, and I explained you here also. Okay, you can see I have explained you here also. Okay, you can see where it is. Let me just show you one more time. Yeah, it's, I guess, here. Okay, so you can see here yeah, you can see destroy argument is event or click or this slick. Okay, you can see event or slick when slider is destroyed or unslicked. Okay, just come up here also, and you can see here the, I showed you, guys, one more thing I showed you. Yeah, I guess it's here down. Yeah, you can see here unslick also, argument none, deconstruct the slick. Okay, so we have used just this only. Okay, just I showed you the just this only. Okay, when the slider is destroyed or unslicked. Okay, so event or slick. Okay, so this is the argument, and we have passed here this slick argument. Okay, in our this unslick argument in our cleanup function. Okay, so guys, now our code will work also while using this strict mode as well. Okay, so just save your code, and now just come here. So let me just go to the inspect. Why it is not working? Go to the console. Okay, strict mode is not defined. Okay, why, guys? Why it is saying like this? Strict mode is not defined. let me just check. Strict, strict, okay, strict mode, okay, from where? From React. Okay, let me just copy this from the example. So copy this and just replace, okay, and just replace here also, here also, and now why? Go to the console and reference error, strict mode is not defined. But what guys, we have defined here our strict mode also, okay, so there is no issue at all guys, okay. See, use effect, okay, and strict mode from where? From React, okay. Okay, so okay, so return slider dot slick unslick, okay. So guys, it should work guys, it should work. Why it is not working? It says, and if we will remove this strict mode, our code will work, okay. So let me just remove and remove this also, strict mode, okay. So remove this also, and now our code will work fine. See, it's working fine now, okay. So let me guys go to the example very quickly, okay, and let me just check what is the issue, okay. So there is no issue at all guys, okay. So just uncomment this code, okay. So just says const use strict mode, okay. And I don't think guys this is the issue. No, this is not the issue. It should work guys, it should work. It says that strict mode is not defined, but we have guys imported it from the React, okay. You can see here, okay guys, okay, we got the issue guys, we got the issue. It should be the global, okay, it should be it should has global scope, okay. So we have to define it here, okay. So guys, now just save your code, and now still not guys, why? Still not, why guys? Use effect, okay. Let me just dispose this port, and let me just open a new window, go live. Again it will say that strict mode is not defined. You can see strict mode is not defined. So okay, let me just check. Okay guys, as of now just remove this strict mode, okay. So I hope there will be some issue, and it is gonna take a little bit of time also, and our video. Okay, so just remove this strict mode. Okay, and now just save your code, and now our code will work fine and fantastic. Okay, so close this old one. Okay, and guys, now very quickly we will just show all the details about the product. Okay, like product name, price, and ratings also on each and every product card. Okay, so just come now to this return statement. Okay, and now we will just below this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so give the uh, class name also. I'll give the class name also as a card body. Okay, card body, and open this div. Okay, and inside this div. Okay, inside this div I'm gonna create here h5 element. Okay, h5 element. Okay, give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a card title. Okay, title. Okay, so now open and closing braces, and now we will say here slide. Okay, slide dot. Okay, I want to show the name of the product. Okay, so it contains the content. Okay, so content is the name of the product I showed you. Okay, this is the content, name of the product, content. Okay, name of the product, content, name of the product. Okay, I showed you. So just save your code, go to the browser, and we can see here. So now we can see here the product name have been shown now. Okay, so you can see here the product name have been shown now. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the container fluid. Okay, so container fluid. Save your code and refresh the page. You can see now it's looking cool. Okay, so now just show the, now we will just show the this price, ratings, and button. Okay, so come to the code very quickly, and below this, okay, h5 I'm gonna create here another p element. Okay, so I'll just say here para element I will create here, and close this p, and I'll just give the class name also as a price. Okay, so price, we will just use this price class name to target it in our css. Okay, we will just write our custom css as well. Okay, so I'll say here open and closing braces, slide. Okay, slide dot, I'll just show the price. Okay, so we will say here slide dot price. Okay, to show the price, save your code, go to the browser, and you can see here the price have been shown now. Okay, you can see the price have been shown now. I'll give the another class also, so I'll say here h. Okay, h3 I'll use the class. Okay, so now it is now a little larger, we can see the price now. Okay, and just now we will show the ratings of the respective products also. Okay, so just come to the code, and now we will show the ratings of the respective products also. So below this p I'm gonna create here another p, I mean another div element. Okay, so just give some space from top and bottom. Okay, it will look cool. Okay, and now inside this div I'm gonna use here the open and closing braces. Okay, so now we will just say here this. Okay, slide. Okay, this slide dot. Okay, this slide dot ratings, and we all know that rating is again an array. Okay, you can see this ratings. Okay, you can see guys. Okay, this rating is again an array. Okay, you can see this ratings is an array of font awesome icon. Okay, this ratings is again an array of font awesome icon. Okay, so just come now, we will again use here the javascript. Okay, map method to loop through this ratings. Okay, array. Okay, of icons. Okay, so now we will just say here dot map. It takes one callback function, and that you can see here callback function value, index number, or array we can give. Okay, so the only value is the compulsory argument. Okay, so we will just give here the one argument. Okay, and we will just give here the rating. Okay, so we just give here the rating. Okay, remove s, and I'll just give here the index also. Okay, so now we will use here the factor function like this. Okay, so like this we will use the factor function. Okay, so now I'm gonna create here another you can create anything, span or the I element. Okay, so I just close this I. First of all, just give the key attribute also. So I'll just give here the key attribute like this. Okay, and I'll just say here this index. Okay, this index. Okay, this index is unique. Okay, so we will just give here this index. Okay, okay, so just now we will give the class also. So I'll say here class name equal to, I'll just say here far. Okay, and far 2x. Okay, to increase the icon by 2. Okay, or the 2x. Okay, or double, we can say the just double the size. Okay, so we will make this class dynamic. Okay, using the backtick we will make this class dynamic. Okay, using the backtick. Okay, so now we'll use here dollar to, I will just, this is guys known as the template literal or the template string. Okay, and it is used to append something, it is used to make something dynamic. Okay, along with the strings. Okay, so we can show the variable name, we can show the function return, also we can show anything inside this template literal string. Okay, so we will just give here this, okay, rating. Okay, as a class. Okay, okay, so just say here and not rating, copy this and paste it here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and I'll just use here another class mx one for the margin top left and bottom. Okay, so I'll say here mx1. Okay, so now just save your code, go to the browser, and you can see, boom guys, we can see here our star have been printed, our ratings have been shown here. Okay, you can see guys, our rating have been shown here. Okay, so now we have to make it look exactly like this. Okay, you can see here, this is very professional, this is very eye pleasing. Okay, so we have to make our this product slider exactly look like this. Okay, so come to the code now, and now below this div. Okay, I'm gonna create here one button element. Okay, so I'll just create here another div. Okay, close this div. I'll give the class name also, I'll say here btn container. Okay, btn container, this is it. Open this, and inside this div, okay, I'm gonna create here one button element. Okay, so close this button. I'll give the class name also, I'll see here btn. I'll give here I'll say here warning. Okay, warning. Okay, so give the text. Okay, by now. Okay, so give the text by now. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, and you can see one button also called by now. Okay, so we have to make exactly look like this. Okay, so come here, I'll give the class also margin top to margin bottom also to save your code, and we can see little bit of a space from top and bottom also. And now we will just show this product name in only 2 line. Okay, in only 2 line, so we have to truncate this. Okay, we have to truncate this. Okay, so I'm gonna use this css. Okay, I'm gonna, for this I'm gonna use the css. Okay, so we have to write our css also. Okay, so guys, now we have to write our custom css also. So let's just come to the head section, and we have to create our css also. Okay, custom css internal css. Okay, so I'll say here style, close this. Okay, so now put point. Okay, so now we have to write our custom css. Okay, so I'll just copy this title class from here. Okay, this title class from here, and paste it here. Okay, and now like this. Okay, so we will just say here font size. Okay, font size we will give here 10 px. Okay, I'll just say here display. Okay, display. Okay, display webkit. Okay, box. Okay, and I'll just give here webkit. Okay, webkit box orient. Okay, I'll just give here vertical. Okay, vertical. I'll use here webkit box orient. Okay, I'll give here vertical. Okay, and I'll just say here line clamp. Okay, I'll just say here line clamp 2. I'll use here the webkit also, webkit. Okay, line clamp 2. Okay, just remove this, we don't require this. Okay, I have given here the webkit also, so line clamp 2. Okay, I'll just say here overflow. Okay, hidden. I'll just say here text overflow. I'll say here ellipsis. Okay, to append, guys. Okay, to append here you can see here three dots. You can see here three dots. Okay, you can see here three dots. You can see here three dots. Okay, so to append this three dots, we have to say here ellipsis. Okay, so we can give here font size 18 px. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and now we will just say here max. Okay, max height also I'll give here 4.5 em. Okay, 4.5 em. Okay, and I'll just say here line height also I'll say here 25 px. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser, and now we can see here, we can see the now name have been truncated only to two lines. Okay, you can see only two lines, only two lines, only two lines, only two lines, because we have used here this properties. Okay, this properties. Okay, to truncate our text or the paragraph in two lines. We can see here line clamp is 2, line clamp is 2, and we have given here overflow hidden, text overflow ellipsis. Okay, and we have given here display webkit box. We have given here webkit box orient vertical. Okay, so through this property we can truncate, okay, any paragraph in any number of lines. Okay, like 2, 3, 4, it's up to you. Okay, so we can see here only two lines. Okay, only two lines on each and every product card. We can see here only two lines. Okay, so we will just give here some color also. So I'll just say here color. Okay, I'll just use the shades of black. Okay, so just open this and just say okay like this. Okay, it is not looking, so okay, so now it is looking cool. Okay, so let me just increase the font size. Okay, so make it 20. Yeah, now it is looking cool. Okay, and you can see here every product card is of equal or same height. Okay, so now we will just come here, and now we will just make this icon little bit smaller. Okay, so copy this. Okay, far 2x. Okay, and go to the style sheet, paste it here, and just say here I'll give you a font size of, okay, font size of 1.5. Okay, em. Okay, so now I'll just use here far star. Okay, far star. I'll give the color, okay, golden. Okay, I'll give the color gold. Okay, and just copy this, and just for the empty star we have to say here oh. Okay, and for the empty star we will give here red. Okay, so just save your code, and now we can see here for the full star the color is gold, and for the empty star the color is now red. Okay, you can see for the full star the color is now gold. Okay, and for the empty star the color is now red. Okay, likewise for all the product card, for all the ratings. Okay, for all the stars. Okay, so just come to the code again, and now we will just copy, okay, this. Okay, so we will just copy this card. Okay, so copy this card class from here. Okay, this card class from here, and just come to this css. We will give some box shadow also. So I'll just say here margin. Okay, I'll give the margin, okay, 0 auto. I'll give here the box shadow also. So box shadow I'll give you a 1px 20px. I'll use the RGBA value. Okay, RGBA value I'll use here. So just give here 0, give here 0, give 0, and for the alpha we'll give here 0.2. okay, this is it. Okay, save your code, go to the browser, and we can see here we have got some nice box shadow also. Okay, so it is looking cool now. Okay, so come to the code again, and now we will just use this img. Okay, so I'll say here slick okay, carousel img. Okay, img tag we are gonna target now. So we will just say here height. Okay, auto. I'll say here object fit. I'll give here cover, and I'll just give here the width also of 100%. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and now guys, we are gonna save your code first and see the output first. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna show this left control, this right control also, and this okay dots also, and we are gonna make this slider now responsive also. So we will give here the responsive settings also to our this carousel. Okay, to our this slider. Okay, so come to the code now, come to the JavaScript. Okay, and now here we will just put here some more settings. Okay, so now we will just put here some more settings. Okay, so autoplay speed I'll give here autoplay speed I'll give here autoplay speed. Okay, I'll give here 2000. Okay, put comma, I'll just give here the arrow also. I'll give here true. Okay, so give true, arrow equal to true. So now we will be able to see the arrow as well. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser, and now so as of now we have to give here the previous and next arrow as well. Okay, dynamically. Okay, so I'll just say here speed. Okay, so I'll say here speed. Okay, and I'll just give here 500. Okay, put comma, and I'll just say here pause. Okay, pause on hover. Okay, pause on hover. Okay, I'll say here true. Okay, pause on hover true, put comma, I'll just say here mobile first. Okay, mobile first. Okay, as of now just give here false, later on you can make it true as well, put comma. Okay, and now we will just show here the previous arrow. Okay, so let me just go to the URL first. Okay, and just go up. Okay, so go up. So go up. Yeah, you can see here this is the previous arrow, and this is the next arrow. Okay, so copy this default HTML tag from here, and we will just say here previous arrow. Okay, so I'll say here prev arrow. Give here single quotes because already double quotes is here, so we have to give here the single quotes. Okay, so put single quote, put comma, and copy this and paste below, and we will just say here next arrow. Okay, we will just say here next arrow. So we will just say here the text also next. Okay, although we don't require this text. Okay, so say here next. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, and as of now we can see here there is no any arrow or any dots. Okay, so we have to now just come here, and now we will just say here the dots also true. Okay, so we will just say here the dots. Okay, so make it true. Okay, put comma, save your code, go to the browser, and you can see here we have got the dots. Okay, and it is fully clickable, it is fully functional. Okay, see the dots we have got here now. Okay, the moment we have given here dots true. Okay, so okay, it's fully functional and fully fine. Okay, see. Okay, so come to the code now, and now we will just give here the responsive settings. Okay, you can see here responsive settings we will give now. Responsive. Okay, and it is a type of array. Okay, it is a type of array. So you can see here, let me just show you the URL APIs also. So come down. Okay, so go to the responsive where it is. Okay, I hope it's below. So let me just go to the responsive setting. Okay, I want to show you something. Okay, so just where it is, guys. Responsive, go up, yeah, you can see here responsive, and it is in type of object. Okay, default is none. Okay, it says object containing breakpoints and setting object. Okay, cdemo enable settings. Okay, set at given screen width. Okay, set setting to unslick instead of an object to disable slick at a given breakpoint. Okay, it says, guys, we have to give here the uh, breakpoint or the settings on which screen sizes you want to show, how many slides, how many product. Okay, and if we want, we can just remove this responsive also on any screen sizes. We just have to set here unslick. Okay, instead of an object we have to say here unslick. Okay, to remove the breakpoint from some particular screen size from some particular device. Okay, so this is what it means. Okay, and this is the API responsive, and it is in type of object. Okay, so just come now to the code, and you can see here we have created here array of object also to this responsive. Okay, and now we will just say here the breakpoint. Okay, you can see here breakpoint. So breakpoint. Okay, breakpoint. Okay, for the okay for the 1 2 to 4. Okay, for the breakpoint 1 2 to 4. Okay, we will just apply the settings. Okay, so we will just say here settings. Okay, okay, we will just say here settings. Okay, so we will just say here how many slides we want to show. Okay, so just copy this uh, from here and paste it here. Okay, so okay, so like this. Okay, so guys, for this breakpoint, okay, for the 1 2 to 4, we have given here settings slide to show 5. Okay, and slide to we will just change it. Okay, slide to show 3. Okay, and slide to scroll only 1. Okay, so copy this. Okay, and just put comma and paste it here. Okay, and I'm gonna change the breakpoint now. So for the 1020, for the 1024, we will just set the settings. Okay, slide to show, okay, 3 only, and slide to scroll only 1. Okay, so put comma. Okay, and for the another breakpoint, okay, for the another breakpoint, okay, 700. Okay, for the 700, we will just show the slide to show in 700 width. We will just show the slide 2 slides only, and slide to scroll only one. Okay, so put comma and paste again. And for this 600, okay, for this 600 screen width, we will just show only two product. Okay, and slide to scroll only one. Okay, so put comma and paste it here. And for the breakpoint, okay, for the breakpoint, okay, 400 means really extra small screen. Okay, for the this one we will just show here one slide. Okay, and we will just scroll the one slide as well. Okay, so put comma. So now just save your code and go to the browser, and now just come here and now just refresh the page. Okay, so just go to the inspect. Okay, and go to the mobile view. See, boom guys, you can see here in the mobile view we can show only one product slides. Okay, in the mobile view. So just minimize the window. See, on this screen sizes I have just shown the three, and on this extra screen sizes I have shown only five product. Okay, and on this screen sizes I have shown three products. Okay, minimize this, minimize this, minimize this, three. Okay, still three. Okay, still three. If we want, we can show here two products. Okay, so just go to these settings. Okay, so go to these settings. Okay, and make it to save your code and refresh the page. Okay, go to the inspect. See, now we can see here two products. Okay, now we can see here two products, two products. Okay, two products. So now just make it one. Okay, save your code and go to the browser, and you can see here now one product is shown. Okay, so guys, you are free to do any kind of customizations, to do any kind of modifications. Okay, in this product slider. Okay, so now we will just show the left and right icons. Okay, so now we will just show the left and right icons. Okay, so now we will just first of all let me just put here some text also. Okay, so first of all let me just put here some text also. So inside this, okay, container div. Okay, inside this container div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, div, I'm sorry, so give the class name also. I'm sorry, margin. Okay, margin top 4, margin bottom also 4, and give text center. Okay, center, and create h1 element. Okay, and give the class name also as a just give here h1. Okay, so I'll just give here the text also. Welcome, welcome to react.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, and now we can see the text also like this. Okay, so just give here margin top 5 and bottom also 5. Okay, margin 5. Okay, so copy this text from here. Okay, copy this text from here, and just paste it here, make it h2. Okay, make it h2. Go to the demo and copy this text from here, and just replace with this text. Okay, and make this class as a s3. Okay, save your code, go to the browser, and now not h3, make it h2. Okay, so now we can see here create a responsive dynamic product slider in react.js using slick slider. Okay, so now we will just show the this arrow. Okay, this left and this right arrow we have to show, and we have to enlarge this dots also. Okay, so we can see here we have got a little extra large dots here, so we have to make this dots also little extra larger. Okay, so just come to the code now and come to the css part. Okay, so now come to the css part. Okay, so very quickly we will write our some more custom css. Okay, so now we will just write our custom css. I'll just say here, okay, so I'll say here uh, slick, I'll say here slick. Okay, previous slick prev, put comma, I'll say here dot, I'll say here slick. Okay, next. Okay, slick next. Okay, and I'll just give here the color as a black. Okay, give important also, and I'll just give here the z index also as a 3. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, and now we will just enlarge this icon. So save your code. Now we will just enlarge this icon. Okay, I mean this dots. Okay, this dots. Okay guys, now we are gonna enlarge this dot. Okay, so come to the code now, and in this css, okay, we will just say here dot slick. Okay, slick dots. Okay, slick dots li, and we will say here button hyphen or colon, we will say here before. Okay, before, and we will just write our css. Okay, so we will just say here font family, we will give here font family only slick. Okay, we will give here font family only slick. Okay, and we will just give here the font size also of 15 px. Okay, 15 px. We will just give here the line height also of 20 px. Okay, give here the position as a absolute. Okay, position as a absolute. We will just give here the top also 0. Okay, we will give here top also 0. We will give here the left also 0. Okay, we will give here the width also of 20 px. We will give here the height also of 20 px, and we will give here the, let me just copy the content. Okay, so let me just go here and copy this content. Okay, so copy this content from here and paste it here, and we will just give here the text align. Okay, also as a center, we will give here the opacity also 0.25. Okay, and we will just give here the color also of black, give black. Okay, later on we will change it. Okay, and we will just say here, let me just copy these. Okay, so wavekit font smoothing anti-aliased. Okay, and for the webkit also Mozilla. Okay, so just paste it here, and okay, so now guys, now we will just style our next and previous button. Okay, so guys, let me just copy this. Okay, css from here only, this much of css only I am gonna copy. You can see here styling for slick arrows. Okay, you can see here I have written the comment also, styling for slick arrows. Okay, so let me just copy and paste it inside our css. Okay, it is only a css. Okay, so I hope you know what is css. Okay, and just pause the video and you can just learn this css. Okay, what it is. Okay, it is nothing, no any rocket science, just a simple pure css. Okay, so you can see here display block. Okay, background color. Okay, color, border radius, width, height. Okay, line height, font size, z index, text align center, text indent 0. Okay, you can see slick preview, left 0, slick next. Okay, right 0. Okay, slick before and slick after. Okay, you can see direct. Okay, direction left to right, I have given the content this. Okay, and this is it. Okay, there is nothing any rocket science. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, and we can see here now we can see our the left arrow also, and as of now we can't see our right arrow. Okay, so let me just inspect y. Let me just check y. We can see guys, the icon is also now, the dots is also little larger. Okay, like this is the demo, and this is what we have created. Okay, so you can see the dots is now little bigger and little larger also. So let me just check where is the right control. Okay, so go to the css, and let me just check where is the let me just remove this text. Okay, previous and next. Save your code and go to the browser, and let me just go to the inspect. Let me just check where it is the right control. Okay, so this is previous, and where is the right control? Okay, you can see dots are here. Okay, so previous arrow is here, but I don't know where is the right, okay, arrows. So let me just next arrow. Okay, so okay, we have to give here guys slick. Okay, slick next. Okay, so slick next. Okay, class. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, and see, boom guys, now you can see here it's here. Okay, so see guys, it's now here also, the right control is here also, and the left control is here also. And you can see I have showed you also the responsiveness also. Our slider is very responsive, our slider is very dynamic on any kind of screen sizes, on any kind of devices. Okay, see guys, all the control, all the dots are working fine. Okay, see, it is also clickable, the dots is also clickable, it is also fine, there is no issue, there is any problems. Okay, it's fully responsive, fully dynamic. Change the dimension from here. iPhone SE, see, fully functional. iPhone XR, okay, see, fully functional. All the dots, all the left control, all the right control are working fine. Change the dimension. iPhone 14 Pro, see, okay, everything is fine. Okay, see, okay, so I showed you it is fully responsive and fully functional. Okay, so just see, on this device we have shown two slides. Okay, and we have shown two slides. On this screen sizes we have shown here only one slides. Okay, so two slides. Okay, three slides. Okay, on now five slides. Okay, so if we want, we can change this also. We can show here the four slides as well. Okay, if we want. Okay, so let it be. Okay, so just go to the my. Okay, so just go here, my screen. My screen resolution. Open this first one. You can see here my resolution is, so this is the width. Okay, and this is the height. Okay, so let me just for this screen sizes. Okay, so for this screen sizes we will show here only 4. Okay, so let me just come here and just copy. Okay, 1539. Okay, so come here and 1539. So 1539. So we will just show here 3 slides. Close this. Now only 3 slides. Okay, you can see here only 3 slides. Okay, so we have to make it. Okay, so give here 1200. Okay, give here 1200. Okay, and now minimize the screen. So see, for the 1200 this is it, and for the give here for the, okay guys, you can change guys, okay, you can change, okay, here. So make it 300 1300, and you can see here three slides now is shown, okay, for the 1300 screen sizes, okay, three slides is shown now, okay, and for the full entire we can see five slides, okay. So guys, now you are free guys, okay, to play with this slider code, okay guys. It is fully responsive and fully customizable, okay. I showed you, okay, you can see here this is the responsive setting, okay, and this is the breakpoint 1300, breakpoint 1024, breakpoint 700, breakpoint 600, and breakpoint 400, okay guys. You are free to do any kind of modifications, any kind of customizations, okay. And guys, very quickly guys, let me just do one thing, okay. I don't know guys why our strict mode is not working, okay. So let me just go to the example, and very quickly let me just paste it here. I am guys very like surprised, okay, very, you know, like I mean astonished, okay, why our strict mode is not working here, okay, although it is working fine in the example, okay, I showed you, okay. So let me just check why it is not working here. Save your code, go to the browser, and now guys, our strict mode is also working, okay. See, our strict mode is now also working, okay. So just go to the console, there is no any issue, there is no any error, see, there is no any error, okay, error free code, okay guys. Always try to write the error free code, okay. And please guys, do not repeat yourself, okay guys, while you are coding in HTML, in CSS, in JavaScript, in jQuery, in PHP, in React, in Vue, in Angular, guys, try to stick with the do not repeat your code, okay, please guys, okay, okay. So our slider is very responsive and very dynamic now, okay. And guys, I hope guys you have learned something, okay, from this video, from this session, okay. Guys, still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, okay, then please guys, okay, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, I'll try to address it, okay, and I will definitely try to guys give you the best possible solution, best possible answer, okay. So okay, so I hope guys you have learned something from this video, from this session. Guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys, okay, do like this video, okay. And please guys, okay, do share this video with your friend, with your colleague, with your friends also, okay. They will be also learning along with you, okay. And it will guys really help me, okay guys. Trust me guys, I am putting a lot of hard work, I am putting a lot of hard efforts to create videos, to create awesome videos, to create error free videos, okay, so that it will give you the awesome and unique watching experience, okay. But still guys, okay, it's like only slip of tongue, okay. Instead of this I say this, instead of that I say this, okay. And this is only guys a slip of tongue only, there is no any issue, there is no any problem, okay. I hope you will excuse me for this, I hope you will sorry, like forgive me for this, okay. So guys, I hope guys you have learned something from this video, from this session, and I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will like this video also, and you will share this video among your friend, among your colleague, among your friends also, okay. Okay, so I hope guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session, okay guys. Still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, do comment in the comment section below, okay. And guys, if you like feel guys, you can give me some suggestions, you can give me some, you know, like feedback about my session, about my video, then please guys, most welcome, okay. You can give me suggestions, you can give me the feedback also, okay. There is no any issue, I will definitely try to read it, and I will definitely try to implement it from my next video, from my next session itself, okay. And okay. And guys, if you feel guys my voice is too low, then please guys, please, okay, do use the headphone to listen to the audio, to listen to my voice, okay. Please guys, please do use the headphone if you feel my voice is too low, if you feel the audio of this video is too low, then please guys, you should definitely use the headphone to listen to the video, I mean to listen to the audio, to listen to the voice, okay. So I hope guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session, okay. And I hope you have learned something from this video, from this session. And please guys, please, okay, subscribe my this channel Code with ER, okay guys. Your friend need your help, your brother need your help, okay. And guys, the only way you can help me, and the only way you can support me, is by subscribing to my this channel Code with ER, and by pressing the bell icon also, and by liking all my videos also, and by sharing this video among your friend, among your colleague, among your group also. It will be really helpful. It will be really helpful to me from your side. Okay, so I hope you will subscribe now my this channel, Code with ER. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.